Hi, my name is Lynn. I'm going to show you how to make a balloon animal today because the song Balloon Animals references a cute long dog. I'm going to get my twisty kind of balloon, nice long one, and I highly recommend that you use a pump to blow up the balloon. So I'm putting the balloon on the nozzle of the pump and holding it there. And I'm going to blow it up about 3/4 of the way. Then I'm going to pull it off. I always let a little air out to reduce the risk of popping. And then I'm going to tie a knot by just wrapping it around my finger and pushing the knot through. And now it's tied off. Don't need that anymore. Now we're going to start making the cute long dog. Always start with the head, and whenever you want to twist somewhere, just grab it where you want it to be twisted and twist it about 3 or 4 times so it won't unravel on you later. So this is the head or the muzzle. Now we're going to make 2 ears. So here's the front ear, and we're still holding on to it. And now we're making the other ear. So we have 3 segments, and I'm going to just fold it over, and then we are going to twist the ears onto the head. Again, about 3 or 4 times or so. So there we've got the head and the ears. Next, we're going to make 3 more segments. A short little neck, and then hold on to that. Then a stubby little front leg. The stubby legs are kind of funny because it'll make the body look that much longer. So here we've got our 3 segments. So just like we did with the head, I'm folding the 2 legs over, and we're going to twist it onto the neck. Next, we're going to have the nice long body. I'll twist about there. We're going to make 3 segments. So this first long one is the 1 segment. Next, we're going to do 1 back leg. And next, we're going to do another back leg. So I've got the big long one, this segment, and this segment. They're not the same size, and that's okay, as long as they're close. I'm twisting the legs onto the body. So here, it looks fine the way it is. Or if you want to make the tail even funnier, you can grab onto it in the halfway mark, and then you can push the air all the way up to the tip to make a wagging tail. So here's your cute long dog. Have fun!